Welcome back to Gadgets Hump. In today's video, we're going to help you upgrade your home security with the top 6 smart locks of 2024. If you're looking to make your home safer, more secure, and way more convenient, stick around. From hands-free entry to smart app controls, these locks have it all. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, we have the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock, a lock that easily retrofits onto your existing deadbolt. Installation takes just 10 minutes, and you won't even need to change your keys. It's that simple. The August app lets you grant access to friends, family, or anyone you trust. You can share temporary or scheduled access. No more key copying or hiding spares under the mat. Hands full? Don't worry. The August Smart Lock uses auto unlock, which means the door unlocks as soon as you get home. And when it comes to securing your home, this lock automatically locks the door when you close it. Total hands-free convenience. Want to control your lock with just your voice? It works seamlessly with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Simple, secure, and award-winning. It's no wonder this lock has been voted Best Smart Lock by CNET. Next up is the Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. This beauty doesn't just look good with its matte black finish. It gives you control of your front door from anywhere using the Schlage Home app. Manage up to 100 access codes, view lock history, and even receive notifications if someone tries to tamper with your door. It's perfect for peace of mind when you're away from home. And for all you Apple fans, this lock works with Apple HomeKit. Just tap your iPhone or Apple Watch to lock or unlock. How cool is that? Of course, you can also use Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant to control your lock. No more fumbling for keys, just pure convenience. Coming in third, we have the Yale Assure Lock SL. This is a key-free smart lock that comes with a sleek touchscreen keypad. Unlock your door using a 4 to 8-digit PIN on the backlit touchscreen, or simply ask Siri to do it for you when you're connected with Apple HomeKit. Create unique codes for friends and family, and schedule when your door should lock automatically. It's perfect for busy households where you need secure, keyless access. Next is the Kwikset Halo Wi-Fi Smart Lock. This lock is Wi-Fi enabled, so you can control and monitor it from anywhere using the Kwikset app. No extra hub needed. Share up to 250 access codes with guests, family, or even your dog walker. You can set temporary or scheduled access, making it super flexible for different needs. Plus, with intrusion detection alerts, you'll know immediately if someone's trying to tamper with your lock. And for added security, you can set it to auto lock after you leave. Fifth on our list is the Eufy Security Smart Lock C210. This lock offers built-in Wi-Fi, so no extra bridge is required. Control everything from the Eufy Security app, whether you're at home or on the go. You can unlock the door using the app, the touchscreen keypad, a physical key, or even your Apple Watch or Alexa. It's a lock that offers true flexibility. Built to last, this smart lock has been tested over 100,000 times, making it both secure and durable. Last but not least, we have the Level Lock Plus Connect Wi-Fi Smart Lock. This lock integrates perfectly with your existing door hardware. There's no visible technology on the outside or inside, just sleek design. Forget your keys at home. On purpose. Tap your iPhone or Apple Watch to unlock your door using Apple Home Key, stored right in your Apple Wallet. Manage access, view activity, and lock or unlock your door from anywhere with the Level Home app. This lock also works with Google Home and Alexa, giving you total control, however you want. There you have it, the top 6 smart locks for 2024. Whether you're looking for keyless entry, remote control, or hands-free unlocking, these locks have you covered. Ready to upgrade your home security? Check the links in the description to grab one of these smart locks today. Like and subscribe to Gadget Chump for more smart home gadgets. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.